Today, soybeans are on the rise. That some experts really cut the Brazil crop. They keep trimming it more and more, and that gave the market a little bit of a boost. We were up almost a nickel, maybe even 6 cents at one point. Still relatively strong, and we are going to ulterior areas of or sources of news so that we can figure out just exactly where we are with the U.S. supplies and the supplies around the world. Now, we're waiting for that WASDE report to come in at the end of the week, and so the market is relatively quiet, but there's still some things to write home about, and just them cutting that Brazil crop really gave the market a little bit of a lift. The corn was steady today, and that was really because the overflow buying, there's been overflow buying because of the soybeans, and even the wheat was higher as well. But there's another freeze on the horizon in the northern plains. That's definitely has some traders concerned that that there could be some logistical problems, or just maybe kind of like a halt in the pipeline in moving it across, and possibly there's going to be some other issues that might affect corn. That being said, we're still in that channel. Corn is still just right at this number that it just is not ready to move until we get real numbers. So we're going to be watching that closely. We're waiting those USDA numbers coming at the end of the week. Now, the wheat was higher, as I said. It was rising U.S. export demand has come up, and there's some idea that we're really going to be a lot more competitive around the world. Now, we've got a little bit to go before we can keep up with the forecast of that 1 billion bushel count. But we're really on our way, and the market still looks pretty strong right now. So, yeah, even though that demand is still coming in, we're hoping that that it'll continue, and then maybe we can have something domestically speaking. But we have to watch out. The speech coming up out of the White House tomorrow night should give us a little bit of a tell on which way we're going to go. So we're going to watch those, because right now we're just working on fundamental news. And this week also is all quiet in China because they're on holiday. So nothing doing for the tariff resolution. So we won't be looking for that until possibly next week.